Spam calls are honestly annoying, and Truecaller is probably the most popular app for catching them as they come in. But on iPhone, that real-time spam warning is locked behind a premium subscription. So can a free shortcut using ChatGPT actually catch spam calls just as well? Let's find out. Here is what's happening inside this shortcut. First, it takes a screenshot of whatever is on your screen. Then it pulls the text out of that screenshot, which is how it grabs the phone number sitting on your call screen. From there, it runs the Ask ChatGPT action. That's a built-in shortcuts action that opens a new chat and sends a question for you, and the question here is simply whether this number shows up anywhere as a scam. Whatever ChatGPT replies with gets shown right back on your screen, so you get an answer without leaving the call screen at all. Now obviously, when a call is actually ringing, you don't have time to open the Shortcuts app and run this by hand. So the practical move is to assign it to Back Tap or to the Action button if you have a newer iPhone. That way it fires the moment you actually need it, with barely any effort on your part. Let's actually run this on a real number and see what comes back. ChatGPT doesn't flag this one as spam simply because the number was not available in the public database yet. Truecaller, on the other hand, does flag the same number as spam. And honestly, that's a fair reminder that no single database gets it completely right every time. So running a number through more than one checker just gives you a better shot at catching it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.